Hello everyone. Welcome to Baduk Cafe. Long time no see. Dazan! My new book is finally out. I wrote this book for about 2 years. Mastering basic corner shapes step by step. I have 3 grateful supporters. First, my student and co-author Paul Schmidt from Luxembourg. We met once a week online for 2 years to discuss this book. Of course, we fought a lot. But the result was great, so I'm so happy and grateful to Paul. The second person is Loc van Tjist, 7 dan from Netherlands. He won the European Championship 3 times. Wow. I guess you have his books with Richard Bozulich from Kiseido. He is very famous. The third person is Laurent Heiser, 6 dan from Luxembourg. He participated many times the World Amateur Go Championships and performed very well. So they helped me a lot to make this book perfect. So I want to say thank you so much through this video. So I only have 2 books of my own. If I receive more books at the end of March, then I will hold a book giveaway event. So I'm planning to make videos from 1 to 50 chapters. If you master this book and 50 videos, you will definitely become a 5 dan, for sure. So let's start with the most basic corner shape, small L shape. Before I start, I want to show this book more. There is here how to use this book. Many steps, you can see. And there is an index of the chapter. So you can see what are you going to learn. And many people want to know origin of the shape. You can see? So you can use all shapes in your game. Yeah. Okay. Now the first chapter, small L shape. Have you heard and seen this shape? I think so. I saw so many times this shape and mistakes from my students. Really, believe me, it's a lot. So they made a mistake, same mistake. What's the mistake? The small L shape is dead. You don't need to play at all. But the problem is, even this group is dead, many people try to kill. And the problem is, let this group save and leave. So I will show you now our mistake. So look at the 4 corners. So 4 corners have same shape, just white answered differently Can you see the number 1? So, how can we kill this one? Where is the vital point? So I can mark here like this. Then normally the middle is the vital point. So you can play this here in the middle, and white has to separate, and you reduce and capture. Many players play this one. It's also correct, but this is the bent 4 in the corner. This shape is that, I know, but white can use later this one sent there. And if the outside is strong, I mean for white, then black has problem. So do you know what I mean? If, for example, white has something here outside like that, black is not alive, so black should do something in the corner, making a ko. I mean, the ko is like this. Yeah. So black doesn't have 2 eyes, so you should do something. Otherwise, black is dead. So later, black needs to play there, and white capture, and there is ko. Yeah. So there is this kind of aji. Normally, usually you can kill with band 4, but odds is bad. So that's why I recommend you and my students always reduce and play there. If white capture, you can play there. There's nothing. Second answer is hane first, reduce, and then like that. That's it. But remember, the middle is the vital point. How about the next one, left upper corner? So it's also almost same. Here, these 2 stones. Where is the vital point? The middle. So you can play there first. And now, reduce it better, easier. Yeah. Of course, in this case, you can play there too, like that and that. This is not seki, not meant for that. But better you play like that. This habit is better. But what happens if black plays there? Not good, not good. Because that's the vital point white can save. So, yeah, remember the middle. And then lower left corner. How can you kill? There are many, many more possibilities to kill. But the easiest way, I tell you, reduce first. Then you know this shape, the 5 shape, auto, car shape, then middle, that's it. Of course, you can start from here. Yeah, I saw many times. And then somehow bend 4, kill, or reduce, not this one, reduce like this. You can kill, but not the best way. Because if that is sent there, then there is a ko. But hane is much easier because you can play like this. So this habit is better, easily. And also this one, and like this. But sometimes white can play there. If you answer, there is this kind of move, then white can save. Of course, then you can say, okay, I want to block, and something here, then it's dead. But there is aji, the cutting point. So, we don't like aji. Immediately hane and dead. Okay? The last one, it's same, almost same. So, reduce and the vital point. Yeah. Then, hane and the middle, the car shape, the 5 shapes, you can kill easily, right? Of course, you can play either there, that's also that. Or here, you can kill like that. But not here, because white can make a ko. You can also play there, but be careful. If white has sente like that, there is a circle. So it's complicated. You don't need it. Not inside. Outside first and middle. That's it. Okay? That was the first chapter. That's the most basic shape. But we made so many mistakes. So I have to tell you, wait a minute. For example, this L shape is always that. Of course, depends on the outside, but even white has, for example, this one sente, this group is still that. Same answer. Same answer, like that. Here, reduce and middle. The other way, reduce, middle. So no problem. Of course, there is an exception. If white has stone somewhere, then this group is not completely that. So you should answer as a black. For example, something. Make a L shape or like this. But that's the best way. If you don't answer, for example, that sente to connect, then white can say. I mean, if you try to kill, white can connect. You see? So you have to check outside. For example, here white has a stone, then you need to answer. Otherwise, that sent again and save. Or like this. If you try to kill, like this, but white can connect. So depends on the situation, of course, but just look at this L shape. I mean, this L shape is completely dead. So please don't play something like that. Or whatever here. You don't need it. That's our typical mistake. And somehow you play something, and how can I explain? Something, I saw that, and something, and then saving, like that, it happens. So somehow, you play inside and white save. I saw many times. So don't touch, just that. If you know the basic shape, like this here, if you know that, or 4 shapes, you can kill easily. You got it? That was the first chapter, the most easiest one. So it will be much more difficult. But with my help, you can solve the problem. Okay, next video, we will learn here, chapter 2, the L plus 1 leg. It's much more difficult, but it's very practical and useful. All right, it was good to see you again, and see you next time. 안녕.